Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this lesson, I will teach you how to prepare a purchase ledger control account. This is a very common question in accounting, but many students make mistake to prepare. But if you understand, it is quite easy. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the question here. You can see this question is taken from actually IGCSE accounting first paper. Okay, so let us start here. It will be purchase ledger control account. So this is the format, 8 columns format, the T-shaped ledger account format. So here we will record the date and here details. So in this column we will write the folio number and dollar columns. Okay, so these 4 columns are called debit columns. Okay, DR is abbreviated to debit. Okay, and here these 4 columns will be the date, details, folio and dollar, and this right hand side will be called credit. Okay, here. So this is central vertical line and this is horizontal line. It looks like T. That is why it is called T-shaped account. Okay, so purchase ledger control account. Actually, this is a creditor ledger control account or trade payables ledger control account. Okay, so what to record here in debit side and credit side? When you think that your creditor or your trade payable will be increased, you will record this side. If trade payable or creditor decreases, it will be recorded in the debit. Okay, here now you have to understand what items will increase the creditor and what items will decrease the creditor. Items those will increase the creditor will be in the credit side. Items those will decrease the creditor will be recorded in the debit side. So look at here. What is written? Credit purchase. So if you have credit purchase, your creditor will be increased. Okay, the more you purchase on credit, the more your trade payable will be increased. So it will be recorded in the credit side. So if your creditor charged any interest, so your liability will be increased, means your creditor will be increased. If we have any refund, okay, then still your creditor will be increased. And these items will decrease or reduce your trade payable or creditor. What items? Purchase return, cash or bank. Like if you pay money by check or if you pay your due in cash, your creditor will be decreased. Then any kinds of contra or set off will be recorded in the debit side, which will decrease the creditor. Okay, and here discount received. If you received any kinds of discount, then your liability will be decreased. Okay, you have to record in the debit side. Okay, great. Now have a look at the transaction in the question. First one, trade payables on the 1st May 2017. It is $19,800. So trade payable is a liability. Yeah. So we are doing this question, this account for the year ended 30 April 2018. But our balance is here 1st May 2017. That means this balance came from previous month. Okay, previous accounting year. Okay. So now it is your balance BD. You brought down this balance from your past year. Okay, so let us write balance BD here. Okay, so creditor ledger control account or purchase ledger control account, whatever you call. The balance is generally credit balance. You may have debit balance, but it is different cases. But most of the time it will be your credit balance. Okay, so date is here given 2017. Let us write here in the credit side date column and May 1st. Write here balance BD. Okay, $19,800. Okay, so sometime in the question you will have two balances. One balance will be in the credit side, one balance will be the debit side, and it will be clearly indicated that which column you need to write the balance. If you have two balances, two balance BD. Okay, now look at next one. Trade payables 30 April 2018. Okay, this is balance CD actually. So you have balance CD, means the closing balance is already given here in the question, which is $22,200. Okay, so balance CD will come in the debit side. I'll show you after writing all other items. Okay, then you'll look at here next one, discount allowed. So are you supposed to write discount allowed in this account? No, because discount allowed is related to the sales ledger control account. Look at the items here we listed. So there is no discount allowed. You have here discount received. Okay, if you have discount received, you can record here, but discount allowed will not be entered here in this account. Okay, now you must be wondering then why this item is given here in the question. Yeah, just to check your understanding. Okay, then just to confuse you, then that you make mistake or you write correctly. Okay, fine. If you know these items, question whatever, you will be able to answer. Okay, so try to remember these items. Okay, then what is written? Discount receipt. Yes, we know discount receipt will be entered. It is here. Okay, discount receipt. So it will decrease the trade payable or creditor. So when it is decreasing, you have to record in the debit side. Yeah, so let us write date is given 2018 April 30. Okay, so here you write discount receipt. Great. How much value given here in the question? It is 330. Yeah, so let us write here $330. Okay, next we have here interest charged by supplier. Okay, so what is interest charged? Yes, you have a balance due, unpaid amount with the supplier, and at the end of the certain period you could not pay the money, the amount due. Then what the supplier did? He added some value with your balance. That means he charged interest to the balance. In this case, your liability will be increased, your trade payable will be increased. Yeah, so when your trade payable is increasing, then you have to record in the credit side. Okay, so let us go to the credit side and write 2018 April 30. So right here interest charged. Okay, what is value here is written here in the question clearly 122. Okay, hope you understood. Next one we have credit purchase. It is very easy. Yeah, credit purchase means your trade payable is increasing. Yeah, so when trade payable will be increased, you have to record in the credit side. Yeah, so let us write here in the credit side, same date April 30. So right here credit purchase. Okay, what is value here in the given question? 180,870. 870. Okay, very good. Next we have cash purchase. Okay, I see many students make mistake. So you purchased goods, you paid the money. In this case, you have no relation with the supplier. Your transaction is completely over. Okay, so don't forget that cash purchase will never enter in the purchase ledger control account. Very good. Then next one, sales ledger balance set off against purchases ledger balance. So set off and contra, these two terms same. Sometimes set off will be written, sometimes contra will be written. Whatever written, you just remember the contra or set off will be recorded in the debit side of purchase ledger control account, and in the credit side of sales ledger control account. I have a video on sales ledger control account. You can watch that one to understand. I'll link to this video in the I button. You can watch it. Okay. So here now set off. We know set off will decrease the balance of creditor. Yeah. So it will be recorded in the debit side. So let us write same date April 30. Right here set off. Okay, what is value given here? In the question it is $400. So let us write $400. Alright, we have finished writing all the items here. Okay, look at the second item. Trade payable on 30 April 2018. So I told you this is the closing balance. Okay, closing balance means balance CD. So balance CD is already given. Balance CD will not be given actually, but sometimes it is given. But what is written in the question? Select the relevant terms and prepare the purchase ledger control account for the year ended 30 April 2018. Insert the amount paid to the credit supplier. Okay, so how much money you pay to the supplier, that amount you need to calculate by doing this control account. So this is very rare, okay, but most of the time you need to calculate the closing balance of this control account. But here in this question written that calculate the amount paid to the supplier. Okay, so you need to understand, you need to pay full attention because you don't know what type of questions you will get. So here now we have to write balance CD is given here already. So balance CD will come in the debit side of purchase ledger control account. Don't forget. So let us write here same date April 30 balance. So let us write $22,200. Okay. Now we have to calculate the amount paid. Okay. So how to calculate? You need to check which column is greater in money. So this column is greater. Yeah. So greater column you need to add first of all. So let us insert the total here 200,792. Okay. So we will take this amount in the debit side here in the same level 200,792. Okay, now what to do? You need to subtract this all three amounts from this total. Okay, then you will be able to calculate the amount paid to the credit supplier. Okay, so when you pay amount to the credit supplier, what you write? You write the cash or bank. If you pay by check, it is cash. It is bank. Sorry. If you pay in cash, it will be cash here. Okay, but here how you paid it is not written clearly, so we can write here cash. Yeah. So same date, let us write here cash, and if we subtract it is $177,862. Okay, this is the amount you paid to the supplier. So now you understand once again, in this question your requirement is not to calculate your balance CD, it is cash. Okay, and how you calculate it? You just get the total from here, you took this total here and you subtract the items given here, then you got this balance. Okay, now you need to bring down your balance. So balance CD is here in the debit column, so balance BD will be the opposite side. So the next date will be the next first day of next year. So 2018 it will be May 1st. Let us write here balance BD. So which one you write? This one? No, not this. You need to write the balance CD. Okay, which is 22,200. Many students think that we calculated here this amount, so this will be our balance BD. No, actually balance BD will be always balance CD to the next year. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare the purchase ledger control account. I'll show you more questions which are given in a different way, and you need to calculate the different answer. Okay, the different items. So try to understand, check the question, copy the question first of all to the notebook, then you try to solve it. Watch the video, then you try to do it. And most importantly, remember these items given here. Other than these items, there is no any other thing to record here in this account, purchase ledger control account. So if you can remember these items, it is very good enough to answer this type of question in exam. So this is all about today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed, you understood how I prepared, and next time you will be able to answer. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more new videos and share this lesson with your friends. I'll see you soon with another one, and until then, bye bye and take care.